Stephanie the intern. I'm packing up everything here at the station, but then we're going to head down to the official rooftop party for the Target fireworks. Here's one of my friends here handing out the party. Hey Stephanie. Hey Jen. So, what are you doing here tonight? I am your guide to everything that is going on the rooftop.
Local 4 and the Parade Company present the Target Fireworks. 5 Super Singer finalists will compete to impress our celebrity judges.
I also have a serious job where I run the results of 7 flights of stairs, so... Wow, good luck doing that. We're in the Ren Center right now. We're waiting for Ty Treadway. He's the upcoming host of a new hit show on Local 4, Merv Griffin's Crosswords. What can we expect from the upcoming show?
Crosswords, Merv Griffin's Crosswords. You know, I think you're going to expect a lot of exciting gameplay. It's a very addictive gameplay. Merv Griffin came along just like he did in Wheel of Fortune and Jeopardy, and he kind of added that little twist of his. He sprinkles that little magical dust he's got or something.
What was it like meeting Merv?
You know, it was intimidating and magical, and then all those things kind of wrapped into one.
We got it.
Cut that.
Yvonne Pedno is here, star of the Toronto production, the Queen musical, We Will Rock You.
How do you like Detroit so much?
Pocket town, it's a town of rock, it's everything. Everything happened in Detroit.
You're the star of the upcoming show, We Will Rock You. Can you tell me about the show a little bit?
More like a rock show with comedy scenes. You just want to have fun on stage.
Hey, I'm in the production studio right now, so things are kind of hectic, but it's looking great.
1 minute.
All right, go over 8.
Let's get things started now with our Super Singer competition. Thank you. I owe you a fish fly. And so for 2007, ladies and gentlemen, our Super Singer winner is Laura Rodriguez. Congratulations.
So how does it feel now to be the next Super Singer?
Awesome. I feel so awesome. I'm gay.
Target fireworks were amazing. They looked beautiful over the Detroit River. I hope you had as much fun as me.
We don't